Yes. Welcome everyone to Write with Us session. Here we are again on a journey to learn something again, something new, but yet very important part. Today we have two parts. One, we are launching the book of Toastmaster Aditya Sharma. And second, we will be writing a nano story. What is a nano story? We will be learning after the session. So before I go ahead and share my screen and go through the slides, let's a bit I will be sharing more about, like, we have new people, Nisha and I think Ganesh. So I will be sharing screen again and going a bit in detail, not in detail, with the okay, it's here. So just in few seconds, let's go back. What is this Write with Us session? It is a campaign started by Phoenix Toastmasters Club to help members and guests to submit their story, poem, work, and their stories will be selected, and you will get a chance to become an author. And it will also help you to write compelling stories, write compelling speeches, and also you will get a chance to build a habit of writing, build a habit to write together. Also, you will start believing in yourself, and you will get a chance to know the different version of stories. In this way you will becoming more creative. Okay, yes, let's get to know a bit about me. Not a lot. When I talk to people, they want to know who am I and what I'm doing, and what is my background. So this is a bit about me. I'm an engineer who turned author and teacher, some years of experience in team handling and team management. Have run two private schools in 2012, worked in three MNCs as a trainer, as a quality engineer, certified creative writer from British Council, SACAC, IGNU, one international course from Karan Bajaj, and mentored by Adam Clean, and other courses I've done. You can also reach out to me on this link. You can find my work, my books, and here a bit of just my introduction in 1 minute. Hello there, I am Rahul Sharma. I am a certified creative writer, a coach, an author, a motivational speaker, and a social reformer. I have co-authored over 10 books for children. I have also formed a book club, Write With Us, to inculcate writing habits among the youth of the country. 2 years ago, I co-founded a company to help budding authors to publish their work. I empower people through my coaching, my seminars, and my workshops. Also, I'm a visiting faculty to teach advanced meditation and creative writing to different schools, colleges, and several NGOs. My friends, I love writing on romance genre and I read a lot. Every writer was once a reader. Read a lot. You know, writers can shake the world. Are you willing to shake the world? So, a bit about me. Man is boasting a lot about himself. That's okay. Sometimes you have to do. So, now this session is more about discussing on writing journey of Toastmaster Aditya Sharma. So, a bit about Toastmaster Aditya Sharma. Aditya Sharma is the current president of Phoenix Toastmasters Club. He's a veteran Toastmaster. He joined Toastmaster in the year 2015, and since then he has authored two books, and also he's a founder of the Weekly Show, one of the very renowned show and very popular in the West. And he has completed over 200 episodes. His articles have been published in Education Times of India, Sports Star magazine, and the Hindu. So without further ado, let me invite Toastmaster Aditya Sharma, and he will be talking about his journey. And before that, let's get to know his second book.
I'll
Yes,
take over, Rahul. So this is my second book. It's called Beyond the TV, 33 Cinematic Productions That Transformed the Silver Screen. This book is a collection of my movie reviews that I have written over the past 5 years. That is, I started writing somewhere around 2014, and then I started collating them in a more organized manner. And as I got enough number of articles written, I decided to compile it into a proper book. And this book was was published in March 2020. And as far as the other book is concerned, this is my first book, The Fifth Empire, and this book was published through Amazon. Since it was my first book, I decided to take the route of Amazon. And why the term name Fifth Empire? I'll let you, when you ask questions, I'll let you know. Let's keep it a little secret. Over to you, Rahul.
thank you, Toastmaster Aditya, the author, the great podcaster, the writer, content writer, veteran Toastmaster. So, Aditya, what inspired you to write your second book? How the second book is different from the first book?
Well, there are some similarities and there are some differences. Similarities are that it's basically my what we call op-ed opinions, reviews, that an event has happened and I've written about it. Like in the first book, it's about the various sports matches that happen, sports events, and other such incidents, and I wrote my opinion. What you see in newspapers or what you see as a compiled impact. So that was the thing. And the second book I was writing, and then I decided let's compile it into a book. Let's make sure that it reaches out to everybody. So in this manner, it's on Kindle. It will reach out to everybody, and it will be easier to read in a book form than in separate blog articles in silos. Sometimes you may lose the article. You may not know if you have it on your computer, you have saved it or not, or where is it. It's difficult to find. Here, they're all in one place, so it's easier to find. And if and and then if anyone has anything to discuss, we can obviously discuss after you read the book.
Okay, so you are saying before writing this book, you compile all your articles, right?
Yes,
So
that was the
when
basic
you
idea.
started articles or reviewing, and when you started writing articles, did you have that idea that these articles will be compiled or you will be compiled in the form of book?
No, I was not exactly not in. I was not thinking about a book. I thought yes, one day it should be published in a book form. But I was just writing so that it would be on my website. Then I would be sharing it to people, getting their opinions. That was the basic idea. Then I took training in uh, film criticism and movie reviewing, and I got better at it. So that bit of training helped me to study a TV show in depth, go in the character. For me, in a TV show or a movie, it's always the writer who comes first than any other individual. If the writer is writer's imagination and writer's work. For me, it's all about the writer. So I would see different movies, understand them, see them from a different point of view, bring in other similar productions and comparing them. For example, I compared Superman and Shaktiman.
Fantastic.
They are, yes, one is Indian, one is US, but they have very similar backgrounds. I'll talk about that more when questions come. So this is how I compared. And one of my titles is Even Batman Needs His Butler. Those who have seen Batman will understand that what is the relationship between Batman and his butler. What is that relationship? They'll understand. By butler, I mean Alfred. Those who have read comic books, have seen TV shows built on it, have seen movies right from Michael Keaton till the current Batman movie. So back to you, Rahul.
So again, my first point is like as an audience, when you have written your articles, when did you realize, okay, let's compile them and I can have a book?
So
When
it's
and
it's
how this idea
happened.
came? This is very important.
I'll tell you I'll tell you the story behind it. So the director of Film Festival decided to give award on best books on cinema review. I saw that, and one of their clauses was you have to be published in a newspaper. And it wasn't the case with me. Getting published in a newspaper is not always straightforward, because that movie reviews have a different relationship with the so it wasn't getting through. That was a clause when I decided that I will not let this clause deter me. I'm going to compile my book, and I'll make sure that if they take out a similar uh, competition next year, similar kind of thing next year, I will make sure that I'm ready and I will send them the book. So I looked at their clauses, except for the clause which was, well, you can, it didn't, I won't say it riled me up, but I thought that, why do I get bothered? I was going to write it anyways. So I thought, let's go ahead. I already had all the articles ready. So this is year by year. It's 15, 16 to 18, 18 to 19. So it's written till December 2019. So everything from 2015 till December 2019, whatever movies I could review, because it's not every movie review, because there could have been thousands of movies coming in. So I selected a few, and then I reviewed them, I compiled them, and there was a lot of editing work involved as well, which you've already talked about. It had to be rewritten in gigantic proportions, but that is something more personal, because fine, yes, editing I didn't mind because it's okay. It has to happen. So
How tough is the writing in the first or like initial days? As Toastmaster Chanda mentioned, how tough is the writing in the initial days? How you push yourself, motivated yourself? Okay, I will keep on writing articles or a book, and it will.
apart from the book, I also write articles, like you have op-eds and opinion pages. I also write them. So it's not that. For me, it's like when I have an idea, I'll sit down on my computer or on my diary, and when I start writing, I'll write everything, even if it's not organized. I'll write. It will take me around 2.5 hours to write around, let's say, 1,000 words. Because when I write, I just write, and then after that, I make sure that there's a logical conclusion, there's a beginning, middle, end. So for me, writing is, I mean, maybe writing a story might be a little complicated because I'm new in that, but the technical aspects, I can do it, because I do that the same for my talk show also. So it is easier to connect.
Okay, last question. Then I will open the stage to the audience for the questions. What is the one tip or one message you want to share so that other will get inspired to write more or to find their own story ideas, and they can turn their ideas into beautiful stories or into books?
I think inspiration is relative. I won't be able to inspire, because for me, my writing style will be different. Your writing style is different. Only one thing I can say is, if you have an idea, whether it's a technical thing, a story, anything, even if you write a diary, even if it's the most mundane idea, write it, keep it with you. It doesn't have to be completed right on that point in time. Let's say you write 500 words and you start writing at 10 o'clock, you finish at 12 o'clock, you are tired. You switch off your computer or close your diary, sleep, let your brain flow. Ideas will come they'll come indirectly, because if you relax, then they will automatically come. You don't have to do anything spectacular to get ideas. Ideas, when they come, they'll come. You converse with people, ideas will come. You read newspapers, then you write your own idea. So this is how my whole thing has been. If, for example, I get an idea right now after this session, I may not write right now. I may write at 6 a.m. in the morning. I'll start writing, and before you know, it's 9 o'clock. But I'll take a break, of course. Sitting on the computer for 3 hours is not logical. But these are it's a thing which is which everybody will have a different way of doing their. It will be, everybody will have a different style. I can say what is the inspiration. All I can say is, if you have something, just write it. Don't get too much. Don't think too much about it. Even if it's 10 minutes, that's perfect. Even if it's 5 words, it's perfect. If it's a story or if it's a technical aspect, if you like reviewing sports, if you like reviewing movies or anything else, if you are expert in economics and you want to write on that, go ahead and write it.
Fantastic.
That's what my experience has been.
So now I open the stage to anyone. Yeah, Neil David. Yes, welcome Neil David. Neil David is from Nepal, very celebrity person here. So we discussed at length yesterday. So welcome Neil David to the Right with the session. So now you can unmute yourself and ask questions if you have any.
Oh, hi Rahul and hi Aditya. This is me Neil. I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. Nice knowing you. Actually, I conversation with Rahul yesterday. It was quite long and very important, and it was really valuable things to learn from him also as well. And today I know that Mr. Aditya is there as an author, as a writer. I know about you that your second book is launching, and many congrats for that. And I wish you all the best for this. And I just ask a simple question because I have also my own story, my own life. So I want to write about me, my journey and myself, because my from the beginning from a small village to limelight, it was not easy. So, but I don't have any clue how to write the book. So I want to know just the basic thing. How can I start to make like a mind make up myself?
I can give you examples. If you have read Sherlock Holmes and the character is seen from Dr. Watson's point of view, if you read it carefully, and the author is exactly doing what Dr. Watson is doing. So you can write from somebody, you can create a fictional character. It doesn't have to be your name, it can be somebody else, and you can start writing whatever you remember from your childhood days. Just write chapter 1, age of 5 in a village, write in my village. Create a new name. Doesn't have to be Neil, it could be David. And start writing. I was 5 years old when we left the village and went to a city, and try and add fiction that exaggerate a bit, because that is how when people love exaggeration is all acceptable, and add facts. And when you add facts and fiction, it's called faction. So bit of fact, bit of fiction, and then you can, since it's your thing, you only know about it. You can either, even if you change the story and write something which is, it's all about, you can add masala and drama and everything, and you can write in your local language, it will be acceptable. You can even have a pen name. For example, have you heard of this character called this author called Christopher Boyle, who wrote the Mahabharata Secret and the Alexander Secret? His real name is not Christopher Boyle. He's an Indian. So what he has done is he's combined mythology with fiction. You can even do that. Let's say mythology from your country, reading a couple of books and combining it with fiction. That how a character goes on searching for some lost treasure, and then you can do that. So it works. If you have an experience, of course, you should write it. Start writing in your diary, in your computer, wherever you're comfortable. Write 1 chapter per day, 2 chapters per week. There's no hurry to write. Don't set deadlines. That's the most important thing for me. There was no deadline. If you set deadlines, it doesn't work. Deadlines, sometimes they work, but in these creative endeavors, deadlines don't work always. Set your own deadline. For example, I had 1 chapter in 1 month. Let's say 1,000 words. It doesn't have to be a 100-chapter book. It could be a 30-chapter book. Small, short stories. So you can create 1 character, like the book with Jack Reacher, short stories by Lee Child. He has a character, Jack Reacher, and he's written around 12 short stories of the same character in different situations. You can create 1 character in different situations, start with short stories and also. That's...
Thank you, Aditya.
I think Aditya were talking about this book, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is a,
what's the book?
There's a sequel to it, The Alexander Secret.
Yes.
All right.
Christopher Sidol. I met him twice or thrice. Very good. So, yeah, I hope Neil David, you have the answer now. As you will be part of this Write With Us campaign, you will learn how to write stories with ease. Be there. take small steps and you will be learning, you will be writing beautiful stories.
Thank
So,
you.
any other question from anyone?
Uh,
Yes,
Yes.
I would like to ask, answer this side. You have talked about a show, Aditya Sharma's show, which is famous. So, if we can know the name of the show in the chat.
Okay, it's called the Weekly Show with Aditya.
Okay.
Yeah. So what do you want to know?
Uh, since Rahul talked about it, so I really wanted to understand it covers what area and
It's basically somewhere between a podcast and a talk show.
okay.
Okay. So
So you can share the link in the group so that we can check it out.
yeah, I'll send the link. No issue.
Send the
Send the
link
link.
in the group so that yeah,
I'll
on
send the link.
Monday you can.
Rahul has the link.
Yes, yes, yes. Like on Monday, you used to talk about education, right? On Friday, you talk about
We
sports.
have divided days. It's basically it's dealing with education, entertainment, pop culture, culture in general. So on Mondays it's basically sports with entertainment. On Wednesdays it's basically wrestling and mixed martial arts, things like that. On Friday it's a combination of education and entertainment. So depending on how the thing is, yeah. So I
Okay,
mean
next
it's
is Toastmasters.
What,
Yeah,
what platform you use to showcase this talk show?
It's on YouTube, it's on Spotify, it's on Apple Podcasts. It's thrice a week and it comes on air at 7 p.m.
Okay, it's on your own YouTube channel, right?
It's on my YouTube channel.
Okay,
on YouTube
thank you.
channel
YouTube
or
channel,
iTunes,
there's a
iTunes,
on
or-
Spotify. Rahul,
yes.
Okay.
So we have Toastmaster Nisha here. Yes, Toastmaster Nisha, you can unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hi, good evening, everyone.
Fine.
hi.
I hope I'm audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Go ahead.
I just wanted, I have some one problem actually while writing. I can go, means the beginning, I feel it's okay, but as I start to wind up the story, that the problem starts there. I get stuck, I don't get enough words to how, I don't know how to wind up a story. That becomes a problem every time I write something, even speech. So how do I manage that? Thank you.
Okay. So
Rahul,
yes. So
you
I
answer.
think so. As I say, the one way is to make your story like a circle. From where you start, what is the point? First P, what is the point? You can go ahead and prove that point and you can perform the same way. One way. Second way, you can leave your story open. Like if your story is about a murder,
Mm-hmm.
okay, then you start with a scene of like someone is stabbed. Okay, you go on describing the scene, and in the end, you leave to the people deciding who is the murderer. Leave it open. Do not tell. Leave it open. Okay, again, this is second way. And there's a one more way, third way. We say closed ending. Or you can put like in the beginning we put this person Rahul. He's a very honest person, but in the end you make him the murderer. Okay, he murdered him because this was a reason. In this
Mm-hmm.
way, you are using your main character as a shadow character, and in the end, you brought him. One of the features, he was fired from the job, or he was in need of money. He was alcoholic, and you can go again work on your character sketch, and use from that find the needs of the character, and let him pushed him to do this act of stabbing someone. Why? So this is that like three ways you can again we can go ahead and have 4, 5, or 10 ways, but at first work on these three ways. Work 101, then you will learn, and again you can practice, 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 And you will be sharing, you will helping us. Okay, this is the way you can end your story well. I hope I have
Okay.
answered your question.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Practice. If you just learn and do not practice, nothing will work. Practice.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
Yes.
you so much.
Yes. Any question from yes, Shruti?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes. 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 We can.
Sir, when I give my stories for my friends to read, some people will say that it is an ordinary story, nothing more than that. It is a very usual one like that. There, I'll get disappointed, and my mind will start to say, "No, you're unfit for storytelling, and you can't write a story." What everyone says awesome like that you can't do like that. I will discourage myself and I'll stop that, and it takes some more time, like 1 month or 2 months to start again to write. And how to get rid of that, I mean.
So I take your. I will ask Aditya in the other way. Aditya, when you send your articles to different magazines, even newspaper, the Hindu, Times of India, and various sports magazines. So initially they were accepted or rejected.
I think they were accepted. I mean, it's happened only once or twice.
Okay.
So it was basically, it was more like it was pulling, it was just, so actually the first one in Hindu was published way back in 2015. So in 2014, I'd gone to a food festival in Nehru Stadium. I came back and I wrote my experience on it. What is the food festival all about? What I thought of food festival. And then I saw in Hindu that they were accepting write-ups from people. They had a separate column, readers column, which they were accepting write-ups from different people on their experiences. And I sent it to them and they published it. So that way it worked. Similarly for sports stars, it's just if it arouses the fancy of the editors and the people who work, it works. And then after that, I thought that instead of I kept on sending it to them, they may or may not accept. It was in sports side, it was accepted thrice. And the Education Times also, it was just, I sent it. I didn't plan on it. I thought, let's see what happens when I sent it. It worked. After that, even if they don't accept anything new, it's okay. I don't see it as rejection. I see fine. I can write on my own. I can, instead of waiting for authors to write for these magazines or these newspapers to accept, which is because they have this clause that we get lakhs of material every day and we just pick up like that. But for example, but still Indian newspapers don't really have an organized method compared to, let's say, New York Times or Washington Post. I mean, their website clearly states what do we exactly want, what are the difference between a reader's column and a letter to the editor and op-ed, and then where to send it, what not to send, and if it's not published, they'll say wait for 8 weeks. So I sent one there. It didn't disappoint me. It was a good experience sending one there. And then I got the idea that instead of sending to these publications, I rather have my own publication in one. That works better because this will happen once or it happens thrice. But after that, I didn't have any kind of issues with it. Okay, it happened. That's good. That's a good experience. And then now I have my own publication, which will work better. So that's how the experience started. That's how I feel. I don't go by the term rejection. It's more like if they don't accept, fine. I'll create my own publication. Rahul.
Thank you. Thank
Just
you.
to clarify one thing, your own publication, you said, right? So
Yeah, I mean, I'll if I've written, let's say, around 60 articles on different topics, I'll compile them into a book. That will work better for me, and that will make me feel yes, it will be my next publication. Like these movie reviews, it was when I did the sports and the sport article, the movie reviews and everything. I thought that when you have your own publication, it will reach more individuals. In newspapers, people may or may not read. You have to send them separately. Here, it's there in one place.
Oh, I'm sorry, just to clarify. So when you are saying your own publication, you're meaning your book, which is a publication by which publishing house? Your own publishing house.
Not my publication, my publishing house. It's a different publishing house.
I believe I can answer in a better way, Aditya, if you just help me. Like,
Okay.
we'll answer the question of Shruti and Aditi yours. If you take the example of Chetan Bhagat, Amish Tripathi, and other authors, they were rejected, even J.K. Rowling, they were rejected several times from the main publishers.
Yeah, true. I've heard that too.
Then Chetan Bhagat, because because I have reviewed a lot of books. So in the past, I used to get their books 1 month before to review their books. So I'm saying from the experience, they went and they self-published their book, 1,000 copies, 2,000 copies. And when the book was a hit, it was loved by the readers. They went ahead and meet the main houses, okay, like Penguin or Harper. Okay, this book has been read by 2,000 people. Now go ahead and we have the proof. Now, if you are willing to release a book, or we will find someone else. This is the history. If you do not believe in your story, believe in your story. Amish Tripathi is a live example. Amish Tripathi. Even Savi Sharma in the year 4 years back, Savi Sharma, she launched her book on her own because it was rejected by everyone. And after that, her book, first book, was loved by everyone. And now she is a renowned author from Amazon.
Understood.
Rahul, sir.
Rahul, yeah, sorry, just a second. My question basically was that self-publishing is also an option which people explore. I was not really clear about it, but now that you have told me, it's clear to me that
But
yes.
do not jump for the self-publishing. It should be your last option.
Okay.
Because then you won't strive for the quality.
Yeah, got it.
Have good quality content, get rejected, face the fear, and then finally go. This is my way. Last step, last door. Yes, Tosma Prashant. Then after that, we
Rahul,
start our writing.
Rahul sir,
Yes, yes.
I have one query. What is this self-publishing? I mean, what does it? I mean, how much cost it exactly involves?
Okay, to answer this, we have two authors, Aditya and Prashant.
Through Amazon. It's basically through Amazon.
Again, it can be through a different.
And a lot of other places. Like my second book is also, it's a kind of a self-publishing house. It's called 24/7 Publishing. So they were more, since they were also a new publishing house, they were more than ready to accept my book, and it went through pretty smoothly. It was not a very rough ride in that process. They took their own time to do it, and it was a good experiencing when back and forth articles were coming, editing, not editing. They took their own time, and then things like the design of the book, twice or thrice you had to tell them this doesn't work. We gave them an idea that this is what I want from my design. So they sent me a design. I liked it. We went ahead. So it depends. Amazon is there. It's your prerogative. If you can go through Penguin, Harper, it's good. But even if you, it just has to reach the right people to understand the what is the context of your book. Whether it's a short story, it's a compilation of articles, technical thing, or as Uma Shankar's experience, he can write his own experience about recruitment and things. That can also be a self-help book for future MBAs. That's also a good idea. So keep on writing an article, seeing the current situation, past situation, write it, compile it, and become the book.
Okay, Toastmaster Prashant. I will be answering the question, Toastmaster Uma. Toastmaster Prashant, yes, your question.
Yeah, my question to Aditya was just a question like, did you choose the title first or at the end of your book?
Title came along with it only. Means I wrote 3 or 4 titles. I also did some kind of brainstorming with others, and then somebody suggested me this title, and I compiled 2-3 other title names, and it became one. So, for example, the Fifth Umpire. It came with the idea that in sports there are 2 umpires on the field. There's a third umpire who's in any sport, cricket, hockey, football. There's a video umpire there's a fourth umpire who's logistics umpire, and the fifth umpire are the spectators who look at everything. So we are as spectators in a sports ground, we are the fifth umpire. So that was how the idea came. And beyond the TV means it's kind of a metaphorical thing beyond the TV. And instead of writing 33 movies or television shows, I took a more euphemistic name, cinematic production, because that's what they are. And then sometimes the name itself, it's all in the name. That's how it came.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya.
Just want to add something here. Like Umar Shankar asked, what is the difference between the self-publishing and through a publisher? So because my two books are have been done like via self-publishing. So self-publishing is like something the self-help books. Why I chose self-help this self-publishing? Because I usually keep my books in my workshops, my seminars, and Amazon also. So there are a lot of people who, when they come to know me, then they buy the books. But yes, if you publish the book through a publisher, publisher helps you. And for the self-publishing, publisher usually do not, they don't do anything in that case. Like they won't ask you to, they will ask you if they will not do anything, any modification in your book. Like you have to do the proofreading yourself. Am I correct, Rahul?
Yeah.
Because I have faced these issues. Like in self-publishing, they ask if you have you done this proofreading or you want us to do this, because they are different charges for that.
Again,
but if you only go for self-publishing, what they do, they just publish the book without checking the book whether if there's any grammatical mistake or anything and all.
What is the cost of this? I'm still not clear.
The cost is usually 50 around. See, it is depends upon the publishers. Some publishers charge like 25,000, some charge 50 and more than.
how many
But
copies?
it depends, because they offer you some free books, some free copies with that.
Okay. So, as Rahul sir was saying that Amesh has done this, that initially he launched 1,000 books through self-publishing. Then he went to, bigger houses, and then they were, sold to idea if 1,000 can buy, others will also buy. So my question to you is that why not we publish ebooks, and we have some sort of indicator that ebook has been downloaded 1,000 times. So people are willing to buy at less rate. There is less cost involved, and then go to real publishing house and then say that my book has been downloaded 2,000 times at 5 rupees.
Yes.
It's okay.
To Toastmaster Umashankar, I will be sharing more about how to publish your book, on which platform, and which is the best way. Because as now we are learning, still we are learning, like it's been 1.5 or like month. We are still learning the art of writing, and it comes under the art of publishing, then art of marketing, then where, when, to whom. It's a very vast topic. So we will be discussing everything. Keep your questions handy and do bug me at the right time, and I will be sharing my experience. I have been through all these questions, and I will help you how we can launch our books on e-platforms like Amazon, Kobo. There are other platforms you can launch your book. What are the benefits and what are demerits? Discussing everything in detail.
Sure, sir. Sure. Yeah, I understand.
Thank you, Dr. Aditya. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I also want to just appreciate that idea. I also really liked, and that was a question in my head also that Uma Shankar asked, like, why do we not? And just a second. So I've heard that like you told in self-publishing we pay, but I see that when publishers publish our book, royalties paid, right? Like a lot of people that I know.
Do not focus on royalty, focus on writing first.
Okay, okay, I'll just clarify it at the right time.
Content is a king.
Yeah, got
Thank
it.
you so much, Aditya. We loved the way you let us know the process. It was really very helpful. And now it is time for writing nano stories, not nano writing, it was writing nano stories. So what is nano writing or nano stories? I will give you 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes. You have to write a story, a complete story in 55 to 60 words, not beyond 60 words, not less than 55 words. A complete story with a title. You have 10 minutes, write, edit, whatever you do, you have 10 minutes. Write a complete story in 10 minutes in 55 to 60 words, not a word more than 60 words. 55 to 60. Work on it and then read your story as we will have time. Beginning, middle, ending, 60 words. We say nano stories. Yes, question? Any question? Toastmaster Nature, any question?
Just
Uh,
60 words, sir.
any topic I can write upon, or is there a theme?
I believe I hadn't decided any theme. If you want to, like I can have a theme and I can show you a picture and you can write a story on that picture. Or just I can give you a theme. Will that be okay?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
So I want to know like people they have started writing. So if I can give you a theme, will that be okay?
Yes.
So yes, you can show the picture also.
Okay, fantastic. This would be great. This would be great. I will be showing you a picture. Okay, so this is a picture I'm going to share here. Write a story in 55 to 60 words. And first line again, first line is very important.
Can you show the poster again, the picture?
I think I have shared.
No, actually, my mobile phone fell down.
Okay, I will try again. Wait.
Yeah.
Can you see the picture?
Yes, I can see the picture.
You have 10 minutes and now time is 9:44. I hope by, I think we have got late. By 9:54, 55, we will be starting reading. And it will take only 1 minute to read your story. We are around 10 people, so we will end by 10:10. Remember, your story should have 55, minimum 55, maximum 60 words. After writing, edit your story. 4 minutes to go. One minute. And I request you start counting your words and write number of words you are using in your story. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 46, 47, 48, 49. So I believe we can start. Please count your words. They should be 55, between 55 to 60. Yes, who's going to start first? Toastmaster. Yes.
Yeah, I can speak out.
Okay, at first, what is the title of your story?
A savior.
A savior. And how many words you have used?
It's almost 60.
Almost?
Approx 60. 60 words.
60. Okay, take it. Start.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yeah, thank you. It was a very dreadful situation. No more expected that China virus can be affected like this in the world. All over the economy was locked down. No one able to make the vaccine for it. Then suddenly news flashing that India-based scientists made it a vaccine. Everyone was shocked. Even developed country UK, USA. Now India became a savior for the world. It the savior who made the vaccine lost his life to save our life. That's all. Thank you.
Good. I think in the ending, lost. Who lost lives? India or the people of India?
That scientist lost the life.
Oh, you didn't mention that in the beginning.
Yeah, because due to making that vaccine, he lost his life. So that is the only reason.
Okay. I don't get it. Okay.
Because your picture is that picture is depicting a person with invisible face. That's why I have written that this thing.
It's 10 o'clock.
Good. Okay. Akash, you want to go ahead?
I want to go ahead. So the title is, I've used 60 words exact. And the title is Till the Smoke Recedes.
Okay.
The photographer got clicked. I had the opportunity to learn from a famous photographer whom I just bumped into at metro station. Being a photography enthusiast, I knew him, though not many people do. He shared some quick tips about photography techniques, a learning experience which this particular photograph sums up, and to know who he is, wait till the smoke recedes.
Okay, good.
May I?
Okay, yeah, Toastmaster, yeah, go ahead.
The title is Miss Universe. I was lucky that my school friend was official photographer of Miss Universe pageant. I got a chance to see the real-time pageant. It was memorable Miss Universe, sitting right next to me like a next-door neighbor. Also shared about her next projects wherein we could work together. I am so excited, and it involved the world too. That's it.
Okay, one more story about photography. Yes, Toastmaster.
Hello everyone once again. The title, it's 58 words, and the title is The Man from Nowhere. The man appeared from nowhere, holding a duffel bag. Placing it on the floor, he sat beside it. People stopped and stared at him. He opened the bag and took out a burning and smoking object. It's a suicide bomber, the people cried. The hall emptied immediately. The man lay down on the floor of the empty hall and fell asleep. He was looking for a place to sleep peacefully.
Okay.
That's all.
Okay, good. A different story. I liked it.
Thank you.
Shruti, yes.
Sir, the title is Pain of Camcorder.
What? How many words?
It is exact 60 words.
Okay, fantastic.
Shall I start?
Yes.
He have not yet lost his willpower, even if everyone blabbers his patient unfit, even when everyone saw him like a joker for sitting wherever just to capture, even when he bygoned his self-respect, even when his family lost belief on him. He believed on him, on his camera. He proved them as jokers who saw him as joker through his camera.
Okay. I think there was something of this story. A bit. If you can work again, the story is more defined. The story has some emotional element.
Sir, I can't hear you, sir.
Am I audible? Shruti, I'm saying if you work on your story, just there, I believe just one or two points are not connected. What I felt, story has emotional connection, and story will be more powerful. It has emotions.
Thank you, sir. I'll edit it.
Okay, Toastmaster Kamal. Yes, sir.
The story is Mystery Man.
Okay.
A ghost was seen at the empty airport taking pictures. How did he know that a heinous crime would happen? A dead heroine of the Tollywood lying in a pool of blood. Was it an accident or murder? It turned out as a part of a movie, but her jilted lover took chance and murdered her. The cameraman could frame it and caught the killer off guard. 60 words.
Good. Different version. Fantastic. I loved it. So, yes, Toastmaster Prashant.
It's My Voice, My Champion.
Okay.
The title.
And how many words?
Around 59.
Okay. Around 59? What do you mean around 59?
Might be like 58, 59 or 60 around.
Okay, go ahead.
So the story is like, I'm really fed up with failure all the time, and it's trying. I'm desperate to win. And then after 6 months, I'm so confident. I'm so much confident I'm going to win every time. And the reason, the secret is my own sound that makes me win every time. Because now I know the power of my own sound that changes the mental picture in my mind. And every time I become the champion. My voice, my champion. Thank you.
Your story has a lot of motivation, but you need to bring the conflict, Toastmaster Prashant. Conflict will build the tension, and tension will hook the reader. A story has a very good motivation, but without conflict, a story will not move forward.
Okay.
How?
Actually, I did twice editing for this, so
That's
even
not,
I lost
maybe you
some
will
words.
try again,
Okay.
and see how it comes out. Okay, who is left? Okay, we have Toastmaster Uma Shankar.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me come online. So the words are 59.
Okay.
Title is Power Reimagined. It goes like this. Suddenly a Nikon camera flashed once. Click. How dare he click my picture without permission? Turn out the boy was shooting for his next TikTok video. These crazy people are everywhere. Everyone is actor, director, producer, script writer of his own movie. The audience is in billions. You can also become super hit. The technology has given power in your hand. Just do it. That's it, sir.
Okay. Good. I like the starting again. You started with the description. We see exposition. You see a very good starting, and you we all had the same prompt, and you took the story uh, to different level, different dimension, like from the audience point of view. We are being clicked. So I liked in the beginning, and in the ending, I was expecting something else, and you ended on an open note. We all can be heroes and heroines through this technology of YouTube or TikTok. Okay.
Sir, it's very difficult to write short story. I think it's easy to write long,
Now,
detailed version of everything.
now you will find how actually why it is done. In this way, you will be writing tight. This is an example of writing tight. Aditi, you mentioned how to write tight. In this way, you all are compelled to write tight.
Yeah,
60 words. I hope you get the point. First point, only first point covered.
Yes.
Discuss more about. Okay, who's left? Toastmaster Gaurav.
Now it is exceeded more than 60.
Please,
Around 100.
we are not able to listen to you. Please speak loudly.
I'm saying it has exceeded more than 60. It is around 100.
There are 100.
I can't control the words.
How many words are there?
Around 100.
Around 100. So you can do one thing. You can again cut few lines which are not required till we have Ganesh. Then
Okay.
I'll read my story.
Okay.
Take 2 more minutes. Okay.
Sure.
Ganesh, you can read your story.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Toastmaster Rahul. I was not able to write. Sorry for that. I was listening but not able to write.
Okay.
Uh,
Then,
yeah.
anyone else left like Umashankar, Chanda, Aditi, Nisha? Okay, then I will read my story.
I have not read, I mean, I have not written a story also. I've just written few lines. A story did not come to my mind in
Then
this
go
short.
ahead and read and
This
please
short
read
time.
out what you have read,
Okay.
what you have written.
Yeah. Watch out. Millions of advertisements bombarding us every day to buy what we don't need, what we don't want, but we still do. Why? Visual illusion of advertising. I mean, so it's not a story. I just jotted down whatever came to my mind.
This is it. Okay, okay, okay. Please go ahead and take your time, maybe after this class or this session. Okay, then I will read my story. The title is The Seeker, and word count is 56. We say word count 56, 56. Gaurav was mad for seeking stories. In school, he was bullied for this. Life took his dream away. he met with an accident, his face crushed. In 6 months, he recovered but couldn't speak for life. He didn't give up. Today, he used his camera to seek a story so that his girlfriend will find a seeker in him. Yes, Tosmasa Gaurav, are you done?
Rahul sir,
Yes.
give us analysis of your story also. We are not able to understand. So, I mean, what you have written, I mean, define the techniques for us.
I mean, at first I want to know from your perspective, how was it, so that I can then again give your perspective.
Sir, we don't have any idea about all these, I mean, techniques, the tension creating and what is happening or not.
The
No
point,
idea.
the point is, you need to build one story, one complete story. And I try to bring conflict, like Gaurav was crazy for seeking stories. He always looked for stories, some ideas. And then even then I went into his childhood. In school days, he was bullied. Why you think different? Why you always talk and find ideas? In this way, in school, he was bullied for this idea, this storytelling. And see the conflict. Life took his dream away. He wanted to be an actor. He wanted to be, director. So life took his dream away. He met with an accident and his face was crushed. You can see the picture. His face was crushed. So in 6 months he recovered. He recovered, but he could not speak for life. His face, he was injured. He could not speak for life, but he had a dream of becoming a storyteller. And even his girlfriend left him. I didn't say in the beginning, but I meant in the end. So he didn't give up. Today, he used his camera. He goes, like as mentioned in your story, he goes and he used to find a story in people, and to share with the world, so that his girlfriend will always think, yeah, he is a seeker. In this way, I try to build a character. He's very strong. Conflict, he met with an accident and he didn't give up. In the end, he's still working on it. And maybe one day he will achieve his goals, irrespective of whatever damage life has done to him. Kind of like my interpretation. And I wrote around 80 lines and I cut, and I changed few words. In this way, you are using editing. You are compelled to use less words. You are working on your idea. You're working on your story. You're working on a message. In this way, by default, as I shared maybe 2 days back or last week, the first point, aim for precision. You are writing precisely, you are writing tight, you are cutting out redundancy, you're cutting down to bare essentials, and it is painful as Tosmasa Gaurav will be working. So in this way, you're working on part one, this nano writing or nano storytelling. This is the way.
Very good, sir. Excellent.
So yeah, Tosmasa Gaurav, and this will help you in technical writing as well. Like if you have a presentation, and you can do one line, what is my title, what is my point, what is my title, what is my message, why I need 10 slides if I can have one slide. Just compel yourself to push yourself to have lesser content and more storytelling, and have better clear idea from the one slide, from the first slide, one picture. Why waste words? Why waste time? Yes, Gaurav, are you done? You are my character in my story.
I'll make you character in my story.
Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah.
Guru Dakshina.
It for that.
Guru Dakshina.
Anyways, so I'm starting. Nikon D780? Is it? I asked Rahul. He murmured with a smile. Yes, it is. It was my dream cam. costing almost around 2 lakhs. We were crossing at Lajpat Nagar metro station. I requested him to click a pic. Seriously, was not able to seize my emotions and excitement. So just snatched it from his hand, and all of a sudden, before he could say anything, it was shielded with smoke. It was connected to battery, which, while snatching, its delicate wire somewhere got mismatched and caught fire. We both were expressionless. My mouth remained open, and I have no words for him. That's it.
Mystery, shadowing. You have used element of mystery, shadowing, storytelling, dialogues, setting. A lot of elements are there. Good. And how many words are there now? Please unmute yourself.
75 around.
Okay.
I mean, I can cut more words like he asked, I said, like those words are there.
Yes. Again, this is where you are compelled, as I mentioned. I think you are like in this nano writing, you are compelled to write precisely about your story, your title. You are writing tight. Writing tight means 60 words, 60, 60, 60, 60, writing tight. This is your thinking 60, 60, not beyond 60. Writing tight, writing precisely what is needed. You are cutting out what is not required. Cutting down to bare essential. They are same, but again, and cutting out redundancy, which what is not required. Cutting down to bare essential, what is needed. What is needed. And okay, it is my favorite story. It is. I don't want to cut down this character Rahul, but okay, this is painful because I need to write precisely. In this way, you have worked by default. So you are not aware on this step one. And I hope Aditi will be more happy more happier because now she asked for it, how to one example, and you worked. And now the question is, we all had the same picture. We had different stories. So try to think beyond stereotypes. Why you need to talk about only camera and everything? Go beyond. Think different. Think different. And again, this is your work. I will share this picture in the group. Write 60-word story again. Different story. I don't know what kind of story. A different story. Engaging, entertaining, amusing. Write different story. Just 60 words. And you will be amazed you can find a different story. Be a seeker. See story from different angle. Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else? What else? And you will find a different way. Be different. Only then you will stand out in the market. Then your article, your speech, your writing, your capability, your content will stand out. Your solution will stand out. See, not only about writing, it is only about thinking, being different, being creative. You stand out. And I request Toastmaster Kamal, if you can write, I was hoping for a humor story from you. If you can add humor, again, I'm not just saying this, if it's possible, it's your strength. So it would be far more good. So if we have Uma Shankar, if you can add technical writing to it, like what you are looking forward to. So it would be a better way. And every technical writer has to use a storytelling technique. So we can use in 60 words. And I request you keep using 60 words now. Why 60 words? Because it will help you thinking differently. Because it is easy to write 500 words. When you are writing 60 words, you are compacting your mind to think clearly, very clearly. And in this way, when you have written 10 different stories, nano stories, then you can easily write a story of 500 words and 1000 words very easily. Very, very easily. Trust me.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes.
Writing 60 words, what I did was I opened MS Word, and then on MS Word I was editing line by line. I was not going to second line before I edit my first line. So I was compressing first line, then second line. So I was going sequentially. you on the other hand, you had, I mean, written many lines and then you cut it short. So there are two ways. I mean, I was doing
What I
okay.
did, I started something and then I decided, like if you remember, uh, I used this line, his girlfriend left him. I wrote this line, it was line number third. When I was working from the story point of view, I thought, what if I add this line in the end? What if I add this line after when he met with the accident? It will give an impact. Okay, he met with an accident. His face is no more. I mean, he has a very weird face. He looks absurd. Then this is might be a region of more conflict. Like his girlfriend left him. Now he needs more motivation. He needs to believe in himself. In this way, you can shift your lines. You can look back what is needed where and cut a lot of stuff not required, cut down, and it will compel you to edit more, think more. And maybe if I work again, I will be rewriting my story again and I will polish and I will make into a different, a very good story. Again, we have just 10 minutes. So if I give you 15 minutes, half hour, you can write in a better way. So at first you need to have like framework, write a story in 10 minutes, challenge yourself. After that, what you can do, after give yourself time, 15 minutes. What will happen in 15 minutes? You will be thinking only at a different elements, different points. This is again from my experience. You can have your own experience. We all have different ways of handling stories. Write like I have my me time. I used to write from 11 p.m. till 2 a.m. This is my me time. I write differently. Like it's difficult for me to write in the morning. Yes, sir. I think I have answered your question, right?
So, I mean, in news articles and I mean magazines, when we write, we are supposed to have certain, I mean, word limit.
Yes, yes.
So, I mean, going by your way, we should, in first draft, we should just write in any number of words, and then we, I mean, start shorting it,
Like
not focusing on only 10 words लिखने हैं पहले, उसके बाद 20 words
no,
I can write.
like
Just go, I mean, free end.
yeah, like in magazine, the word limit is 1 to 20 words. So you write as much as you can, not beyond 200 words. Then cut what is not required, and you are able to find your content is within 100 to 150 words. Then again, read again what is not required, and then you can cut down. Like in the first line, I wrote, Gaurav was as crazy as Steve Jobs. They thought, I think this line is not required. So I cut it. Gaurav was crazy for seeking ideas, seeking stories. Maybe in the third draft, I will find different line, punch line. Still, I'm not able to find a very good line in the beginning. I will work again. How I can invite reader to introduce Gaurav. He was crazy. How I can do this? Maybe I can compare. Maybe I will share a small story in 5 lines. In this way, how this nano writing will help you when you will be writing articles. It would be easier for you to start very punchline, very first line. You can work very easily. Okay, one line, this is one line, because you have already worked in that way. Like at Toastmaster, we are trained to think on our feet. If my wife would ask me, it's 10:25, my class used to get over at 10, and I can tell her, I can say it's a table topics. Actually, I was learning, I was crafting, I was polishing myself more so that I can grow more. Again, it's a table topic. So again, as we are trained to think on the feet, if I would stammer before her, I would be slapped. I would not be given food. I have to live outside my home. I have to beg. So, and here table topics can help me. Similarly, if you are trained writing, nano stories, you will be trained how to write one active lead. You are trained for it. So this will help you again, like in your technical presentation, in your technical, even in your speeches.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Kamal sir, you want to say something?
I have a doubt too.
Yes, Aditi. You have.
So, yeah, so when Gaurav's story was being reviewed, so he said, I think that yeah, few words like I said, etc., will be eliminated. This sort of elimination, how does that happen? Like editing, I know you told me, and a lot of times when I am myself doing editing, it's difficult for me to find suitable substitutes, and then a lot of times my story starts changing. So how to hold on to the essence of the story and yet
Yes, you're right.
reframe or change editing. I mean, it's a lot of it probably requires a lot more vocabulary or
No,
I
no.
mean some
Actually,
more
it is
sort
not
of.
about vocabulary. As today, we learned a bit about the first part of editing. Okay, and like we are there two other parts. Maybe in next session, I will be sharing with examples by showing this is the one story, and we will edit. I will be sharing how I edited it, and this is the next story, and what are changes and what were the changes. How you can trace the changes. Till then, hold on horses, and yes, story will change a bit, but you will love the new change. It is far better and different and improved version. Every day is a new day. If you are improving, you will love your new change, new change transformation. Like in last 4 months, I felt I have transformed in Phoenix. In 3 months, I believe, at Phoenix, which I have not seen in the last 4 years. 4 years I have not transformed at all. I have transformed in 3 months. And my God, what happened? Because I worked very hard. और पहले just just like 500 words, okay, I will do it. And here, no, just today, today. And I used to sleep daily at 2 a.m. Daily. I have my schedule fixed. I would read a lot. I would write uh, because there's no way, no. Give yourself no, like all doors are closed.
Rahul, I have a question. How much sleep you take?
Yes, Sundar. Yes, I'm really sorry. If like Kamal, if like we are, it's around 10:30. If you have questions, you can ask me. Then I will take question of Chanda and Aditi. Kamal, Chanda, wait for a minute. Kamal, Kamal, if you have any question.
No, I don't have.
Okay, and for the updates, I have shared your stories, all the stories with the publisher, and I'm hoping your stories will be selected maybe in 2 days, 3 days. I'm hoping by Fridays your stories are selected. I will be sharing with you the names. Till then, just be ready. Like, don't just say, don't think a lot. Just chill, and you have done your job, and be hopeful. Be hopeful. Yes, Tosma Chanda. Nisha, I will take you after Tosma Chanda. Yes. Chanda, you can go ahead.
Yeah, I have a one question. As you said that you sleep 2 a.m. every day, so how many hours sleep you take generally?
6 hours I sleep.
Okay, so it's your fixed schedule. So
Sometimes,
6 hours is yeah, please.
sometimes I do sleep for 8 hours.
Okay.
As I have fixed my schedule. So again, don't try to copy anyone. Be your own.
No, just casually I am asking. No, I am not trying to copy.
Be your own. We all are different. Find
Yeah,
your own, find your own schedule. Find your own
right.
different dreams, ambitions. And again, we can connect offline. We can discuss at length. Yes, Tosma Sanisha.
No, I just wanted to ask you, how many stories did you get?
Around 20 stories.
Oh, great. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Any question from anyone? Then I will end the meeting.